Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your nationwide insurance details, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Nationwide Insurance website. On the home page, look for the login button located at the top right corner. Click on the login button to access the login page. If you have forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it. You will be prompted to enter your email address associated with your account. After entering your email, click on Submit to receive a password reset link. Check your email inbox for the password reset email from Nationwide. Open the email and follow the provided link to create a new password. Choose a strong password that meets the specified criteria. Once you have created your new password, return to the login page. Enter your email address and the new password to log into your account. Upon logging in, navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile icon. In the account settings, select the option for Personal Information. Here, you can update your personal details such as your address, make any necessary changes, ensuring all information is accurate. After updating, be sure to save your changes by clicking the Save button. If you need to update your insurance policy details, navigate to the Policies section. Select the policy you want to update and follow the prompts to make adjustments. Review your changes before finalizing the updates to ensure everything is correct. Once you've confirmed everything, click on Submit to finalize your changes. Your Nationwide insurance details are now reset and updated. You may log out of your account when you're done. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.